Hello everyone, my name is Arvind son of Subramaniam. I am 22 years old. I am currently studying a final year in University Technical Malaysia Melaka in the course of Bachelor of Computer Science major in AI. My strengths are I am skillful at coding using C++, Java, Python languages. And I also have involved in several AI projects. Mainly it's on prediction. So first project that I did is about predictive maintenance using deep reinforcement learning, and another project is car price prediction using artificial neural networks. Moreover, I have actively participated in co-curricular activities. I was the president for Google Developer Student Club, UTAM, for 1 year. So throughout this club journey, I have learned a lot of skills, especially leadership skills, time management skills, team management skills, and also problem solving skills. So these skills are very important for me to get ready for the career path. So I guess that's all from me.